Hey there! Welcome! Today, we will learn about solving simple linear equations.
Great, this is the topic I was waiting for.
Today, we will solve the equation 2x plus 6 is equal to 20. Step 1. Here, 6 has a plus sign. We need to shift 6 on right-hand side.
Yes. Sign of 6 will change from positive to negative.
Therefore, the next step will be 2x equals 20 minus 6. I hope you were clear till here.
Absolutely.
Let's see the next step. Step 2.
We solve 20 minus 6. We get 14.
That's right. Therefore, the next step will be 2x equals 14. Let's see the next step. Step 3.
Here, we have 2x. 2x means 2 multiplied by x.
Opposite of multiplication is division.
Yes, so when 2 goes on right-hand side, it will get divided. Therefore, the next step will be x equals 14 divided by 2.
Wow, this is beginning to be so simple. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Let's see the next step. Step 4.
On division, we know that 2 times 7 equals 14, so we get x equals 7.
That's correct. This is the answer.
Wow, we did it. We solved the sum successfully.
Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Like, share and subscribe, dear friends. Keep watching again and again for revision. Thank you.